E-bikes are cool and all, but what about riding in the rain? Don't you get wet? No, not really. You know, you get a little bit wet around your mouth, but as long as you got good rain gear, I mean, like right now all I'm wearing is ski pants and ski jacket, and on the way to work in the rain, it's really not a big deal. It seems like it would be, but the nice thing about riding in the rain is at least it's not freezing. So when you're riding in the rain, it's warm, and as long as you got good rain gear, you stay dry. And it's just like another day, and it's really not that big a deal. I was worried about it when I first started riding, but I mean, it is not a big deal. Just make sure you got good rain gear, and that's it. Have a nice day.